Alina. Alina. Hogum tam tam. Hogum tam tam. Show us the face you make when you listen to this kind of music. What are you doing today?
We're going to Snuggle Bugz.
Snuggle Bugz, what are you looking for?
A stroller.
A real stroller with real functions, you know? Are you ready? We're gonna look at strollers for you. So what are we looking for in a stroller? We wanted to attach a bassinet, the attachment for 2 kids. We want a carrier part to put our stuff in it. So this one, we found that the wheels are really hard. We want like smoother, you know, ride. Like a dedicated stroller is gonna be a lot better. You know what I mean? What are we doing right now?
The Jake is the black.
Do you want to go with darker then? What do you think? What color do you want? Hmm? Where are we now, Tip?
At IKEA.
We're at IKEA. What are we getting?
We're gonna get apparently 2 meatballs, mac and cheese, and fish and chips, and garlic bread with soup.
There's 15% off everything. Pretty good. Look at this spread.
Ooh.
I'm very excited.
Me too. So excited.
That's funny.
You think it's perfect?
Of course. Yeah. Good luck to those. Okay, yeah. She's hungry.
Can we feed her here?
Can we just feed her?
He's awake. He's never awake.
Are you awake,
I
huh?
just want to see what she's looking at.
What are you looking at? Are you gonna use it? Are you happy?
Huh?
What'd you get?
A strawberry vegan yogurt?
What did Alina get?
We're gonna get human milk.
Human milk. My favorite.
Alina, this is what I call exercise. Exercise. Alina, time to drink milkies. Yeah! This is the face she gives when she doesn't want to drink milk. And normally she gives this face around 5 a.m. in the morning. Luckily right now it's at 10, but would like to do some other stuff instead of, oh, she is drinking milk. So maybe she is hungry. Hack 101. So she's drinking milkies. You see, she's kind of guy with her hands. This is me.